Welcome to the Emperor of Estates. Are you ready to step into a career that blends real estate, management, and community impact? Are you ready to step into a career that offers stability, great pay, and real impact on communities? Today, we'll walk you through how to become a licensed Community Association Manager, commonly known as a CAM in Florida. Let's talk about how you can become a licensed Community Association Manager, also called a CAM, in Florida. You don't need to live in Florida to get licensed. You don't need a college degree. And yes, it can be done in less than 5 weeks. In this video, we'll walk you through every step clearly and confidently. Let's begin your journey toward becoming a CAM. Why choose a CAM career? Community association managers oversee the day-to-day operations of properties like condominiums, homeowners associations, and cooperatives. It's a stable, well-paying career with growing demand. Florida alone has over 40,000 community associations that need licensed managers. It's the perfect choice for people who enjoy leadership, communication, and real estate. They manage everything from budgeting and maintenance to board meetings and homeowner relations. It's a career path with high demand, stability, and room to grow. Plus, you'll be making a real difference in people's lives. Let's now look at the steps to becoming one. Requirements to become a CAM. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a high school diploma or equivalent. You must have a valid U.S. Social Security number. Residency in Florida is not required. Step 1. Take and pass the pre-license course. To begin your CAM journey, the first step is education. Florida requires you to complete a 16-hour CAM pre-license course. This course can be taken online or in a classroom. Choose a school approved by the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. Once completed, you'll receive a certificate valid for 12 months. That means you have 1 year to apply and pass your exam after completing the course. Pro tip: many schools offer a free trial or preview. Take advantage of it. This is the foundation for everything else. Step 2. Get your fingerprints taken. Before getting your license, the state needs to verify your background. You'll need to submit digital fingerprints through a state-approved provider. IdentoGo is one of the main providers, available across the U.S. You don't have to be a Florida resident to get your fingerprints done. Be sure to use the correct ORI number, FL921932Z, when submitting. This ensures your results are sent to the right licensing board. If you have a criminal history, don't panic. Your application will be reviewed fairly. They'll evaluate if you meet Florida's good moral character requirement. Step 3. Submit your application. Once your course and fingerprints are done, it's time to apply. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have a U.S. Social Security number. You must hold a high school diploma or its equivalent. Residency in Florida is not required. You can apply online through the Florida DBPR website or mail a printed form. After submitting, you'll wait about 10 business days for approval. Once approved, you'll receive an email with a candidate ID number called the FLRE-APP ID. This ID is required to schedule your state exam. Step 4. Schedule and pass the state exam. Now it's time to prove your knowledge. The exam is managed by Pearson VUE, Florida's official testing vendor. You can schedule your exam as soon as you get your candidate ID. Exams are offered daily at Pearson VUE centers across the U.S. The test consists of 100 multiple-choice questions. You'll have 3 hours to complete it. The passing score is 75%. If you don't pass the first time, no worries, you can retake it. Just wait 24 hours to reschedule your exam. Prepare well, and you'll pass with confidence. Cost summary: what you'll spend, let's talk money. Getting your CAM license is affordable compared to many other licenses. Here's the typical breakdown of your total investment. The pre-license course costs around $249. Your background check and fingerprinting will be about $58.12. The application fee charged by the DBPR is $155.50. Finally, the state exam fee is $49.50. Add that up, and the total comes to just over $512. For a career that pays well and starts quickly, this is a smart investment. What does a CAM actually do? So what do community association managers actually do? They manage condominiums, HOAs, co-ops, mobile home parks, and timeshares. They handle budgeting, maintenance, and day-to-day operations. They enforce rules, oversee meetings, and manage vendor contracts. They also communicate with homeowners and resolve disputes. In short, CAMs are the glue that holds the community together. It's a leadership role that blends real estate, finance, law, and people skills. As a licensed KM, you'll manage the day-to-day operations of a community. This includes managing maintenance contracts, association funds, and compliance with Florida statutes. You'll communicate with residents, vendors, board members, and local agencies. You'll help create budgets, enforce rules, and lead meetings. You're the bridge between the community and its smooth operation. KM salary and career outlook. Let's talk about the rewards. The average salary for KMs in Florida is around $71,000 a year. Entry-level managers might start around $36,000. Experienced professionals can earn up to $132,000 annually. In cities like Naples, pay can reach even higher. Salaries increase with experience, certifications, and the size of the community. Most KMs work about 45 hours a week and report high career satisfaction. KMs are 21% more satisfied with their job than the national average. This is a career with stability, growth, and fulfillment. The job comes with perks like health insurance, vacation days, and even housing in some cases. It's a stable career with high satisfaction rates and strong growth potential. Your salary rises with experience, location, and credentials. License renewal requirements. Your KM license isn't forever. It needs to be renewed. In Florida, licenses expire every 2 years on September 30th of even-numbered years. To renew, you must complete 15 hours of continuing education. These courses cover law, finance, maintenance, and HR. You can complete the renewal process entirely online. The renewal fee is $105. If you don't renew on time, your license becomes null and void. Stay on top of your CE courses and your renewal dates. Tips to pass the KM exam. The exam can be tough, but you can pass it with the right approach. You have 3 hours to complete 100 multiple-choice questions. That gives you about 1.8 minutes per question. Read each question twice, don't rush. Watch out for trick wording and eliminate clearly wrong answers. If you're unsure, flag the question and return to it later. Practice tests can help you feel more confident and familiar with the format. Don't memorize blindly. Understand concepts and scenarios. Most importantly, trust your preparation and stay calm on test day. Closing thoughts. Becoming a community association manager is more than a job. It's a profession with purpose. You'll play a key role in keeping communities organized, functional, and thriving. With online courses and flexible scheduling, anyone can do it, from anywhere in the U.S. Take the first step today and unlock your career in community leadership. Final call to action. KM, License Video. Thank you for joining us on this journey to becoming a licensed community association manager. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Emperor of Estates for more step-by-step guides and insider knowledge on real estate, property management, and community leadership. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you planning to get your KM license? What step are you on in the process? Let us know in the comments below. For more great content, be sure to explore our other channels. Add Emperor University, #Emperor, Artificial Intelligence, #Emperor Science and Fiction, #Emperor Nature, Emperor Aviation, Emperor Entertainment, and Emperor Music. Links to each channel are in the description below.